I've been meaning to do this vlog about how my hair is right now, and here we are. If you're seeing this video, hi, my name is Joy, aka your favorite hair coach. I sound tired, yes, I know. I'm stressed, but nonetheless, this is just to come and basically pour my mind on something. And I feel like some people have been experiencing it over time, and this is just me telling you that you're not alone. So what is the thing I want to talk about? Hair. So it's no longer news, right? Sometimes you feel like your hair is neglected, and let's just say I am slowly at that pace. As you can see my hair, life and direct. This one is not a case of, oh, maybe it's just for the fun of doing a video. No, my hair is practically neglected. See how packed it is? It is just, matted. And it now made me understand why some people will tell you they have been busy with things about life and they've not been able to wash their hair for a while, they've not been able to take care of their hair for a while. Now, I don't stand to blame them. Like, you really don't know what people are going through. You really don't know what is taking their time. It might not be something negative. It might be something very, very positive, but it is time consuming that they don't really have as much time to take care of their hair. But the only thing that might be a lot is leaving your hair for like months without taking care of it or even washing it. Like, it is so uncomfortable. I, for one, the thing I've been experiencing is severe headache at some point, because it's been long I detangled my hair. It's been long I showed it enough love as I ought to. And yeah, there's a reason for this, but nonetheless, I just feel like, don't judge people out there. You really don't know why they've not really had time to take care of their hair. Like, some things might be happening that your hair is actually the least of your worries. But the only time there's an issue is when it is common, like you do it often, you neglect your hair often than usual. That's when there's an issue, or you neglect it for way more than normal. You get? But yeah, it's just me ranting. This is a rant video. If you can relate, let us know in the comment section if you've been there like that. But don't worry, we'll get back in full force. I would post videos on how to take care of 4C hair, right? I'll try and film how I'll get this hair back to the usual by detangling it, applying moisture and the likes. But yeah, for now, this is what we're working with. I barely comb this hair because I know it needs like proper care. If I should comb it out of rush or out of I don't know, maybe under duress or under some kind of pressure, I would lose a lot of hair. So I just want to take my time to detangle it gently in sessions with moisture, like I said earlier. So yeah, if you know that you are not ready for your hair, just take your time a bit. Not too long, but take your time a bit. Don't do it when you are in a hurry or when you're under pressure or when you don't have a lot of time, right? Your hair needs love and attention and care, but don't do it hastily. You get? Work on your hair when you are ready. Don't let it be too long, but work on it. So yeah, that's just like my pep talk. And if you can relate, let us know in the comment section. Yeah, hair coaches, hair enthusiasts, and everybody usually have their bad hair days or weeks or whatever, but I feel like it's just majorly the good side that we all see. But I'm open to also pouring the other side of being a hair content creator, just like this. So yeah, I'll see you in my next. Thank you so much for the love and support thus far. Comments, likes, and the rest. And I'll see you in my next.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on it.